Guys, this is Mike with M&M RV. It's bittersweet this time of year. We have to winterize the camper. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to flush out the water heater. There's a lot of calcium buildup. The anode rod does a great job with collecting the minerals and stuff, but we also need to flush it out. So I hook up to my house water, run it through the camper, open up the pressure relief valve, and all the water and goo stuff comes out. So the water heater has a lot of calcium in there. It's building up inside. Even though the anode rod was doing its job. So what I figured out to flush it is we hooked it up to the water connection, and now we're just flushing through. As you can see, the little white chunks are coming out. If you have any other ideas or suggestions, let us know. Alright guys, so the next thing that I'm doing is opening up all the valves. We have outdoor kitchen, and we have 2 sinks in the camper itself. Actually 3. And so I just opened up all the valves, and what I just did is went underneath the camper and opened up those 2 valves underneath there and let all the water drain. But the next thing I want to do with this fancy little device, I'm going to hook it up to the camper. We're going to blow air through it, but I'm not going to go any higher than like 30 or 40 psi, because that's what the water line is rated for with my little regulator. So I'm going to do the same thing with that, so that's going to be the next thing I do. So after setting my PSI to 30 to 40 off the compressor, I'm going to hook up my fancy little contraption, and I'm going to hook it on to the city water connector. And if you point the camera underneath there, you'll see the water come out from the pressure. Once we see the water dripping, then we know that we have 98% of the water out of there, and then we'll go on to the next step. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do, I am going to turn the water heater bypass to on, and I'm also going to do the winterize to on. So right here, on and on.
On, heater bypass, winterize on.
Alright guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some RV grade antifreeze in the camper here. On our Cougar here, we have the in command, so I'm able to turn the pump on with my phone via the app. So as I turn it on, hopefully you'll see the fluid going up into the camper. The pump is on. So it should be pulling it up through the camper now.
You make sure that all of the full valves are open. We found it worked best to do it one at a time and really let the water run out through it. You can see the paint coming out. That's what you're looking for.
Say that. No, stop. So we got these fancy little pool noodles here. We're putting them on the end of the gutters to help protect them. And we put the cover on so that eventually the cover doesn't tear through. And then you're out of cover. Alright guys, that is a wrap for this season. It's kind of bittersweet. Campers all closed up. Look for more videos coming up here in the weeks and months ahead. Alright, see ya.